Welcome to today's insightful exploration into the world of cryptocurrency wallets. In this video, we'll dive deep into the crucial topic of securing your digital assets and keeping them safe from the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is the future of money, a digital or virtual form of money that utilizes cryptography to protect and verify financial exchanges as well as create new units. Unlike conventional assets, crypto is not backed by any government body or banking institution. Instead, its worth is determined by open market supply and demand forces. Bitcoin may be the most well-recognized cryptocurrency, but there are now thousands of options available. Each one is distinct in its own way and serves a different purpose. Cryptos can be kept secure inside digital wallets and bought or sold through exchanges meant for trading them specifically. Examples of popular cryptos. With the multitude of cryptos available, it can be tough to find your way around them. Nevertheless, some of the most prominent and well-regarded ones are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple XRP, Litecoin, and Doge. These coins have innovative features that allow users to make secure payments with greater privacy than traditional payment methods offer. Bitcoin, BTC. Bitcoin is the original and most distinguished crypto, founded in 2009 by a mysterious individual or collective under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. This revolutionary digital currency functions as both an asset of value and a form of exchange, with its market capitalization being unprecedented among all other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum is an innovative, decentralized platform that enables the building of smart contracts and dApps. As a form of payment on the network, ETH, its native cryptocurrency, is used to cover transactions and computational services. Binance Coin, BNB. Binance Coin is the unique virtual currency of the renowned Binance crypto exchange. You can use it to make payments for trading fees, listing fees, and other charges on the platform with ease. With its remarkable features and benefits, it has quickly become a popular choice among crypto traders across the world. Ripple XRP. Ripple is an advanced digital payment protocol that facilitates imminent, cross-border transactions. This network utilizes the cryptocurrency XRP to enable quick and efficient exchanges among users. Litecoin, LTC. Developed in 2011, Litecoin is a more efficient asset that serves as an ideal solution for quick and low-value transactions. Boasting block generation speeds faster than Bitcoin, it quickly rose to prominence as the go-to coin among users looking for rapid payment processing power. Dogecoin, Doge. Dogecoin is a fun and entertaining crypto that was established in 2013. It has grown to become an incredibly popular currency for tipping and charitable contributions, winning the hearts of many through its lighthearted appeal. Over time, it has developed quite a dedicated fan base. How to keep your crypto safe. It is vital to securely store your crypto to avoid theft, loss, or unauthorized access. To help you with that, here are some effective ways how to hold cryptocurrency. Hardware wallets offer unbeatable protection. By storing funds offline and away from the internet, you can be sure that only you have access to them. Even signing transactions requires physical interaction with the device. This way of storage is one of the safest options available for long-term crypto security. A paper wallet is a hard copy of your public and private keys that can be kept off the grid. Despite this, it still cannot match up to the security levels provided by hardware wallets as they are susceptible to physical damage or disappearance. Software wallets. If you are looking for a secure way to store your crypto savings, then look no further than software wallets. Whether you prefer desktop, mobile, or online wallets, there are something for everyone. It is important to note that while all forms of software wallets have some level of security measures in place, online wallets are more vulnerable and can be subject to hacking if not properly protected. Exchange wallets are a great option for convenience, but they come with a major disadvantage: security. Since the exchange controls your private keys, they can be vulnerable to malicious attacks or theft. For this reason, it is best to opt for more secure alternatives when storing cryptos, such as hardware wallets or paper wallet storage solutions. Multi-signature wallets. To ensure the paramount safety of your assets, a multi-signature wallet necessitates multiple signatures for any transactions. This provides an additional layer of protection that cannot be found with regular wallets. If you found this video informative and valuable, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.